Need a professional allergist doctor? Then contact our friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored allergy care designed to suit your exact needs. Every one of our allergists have acquired years of experience in delivering a wide range of allergy solutions and options. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we maintain the highest level of patient care and commitment. So please contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly professional team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions that you may have about how we can meet your allergy needs. Your care is our prime concern, so please don't hesitate to get in contact with us and let us show you all the great options that we have.